Division of a decimal number by a whole number. So the first problem is 33.73 divided by 2. Whenever you are dealing with any division that has decimal number, always try to get rid of that decimal point in so that your calculation becomes easier. Now look at this division, that is 33.73 divided by 2. This can be represented as 33.73 divided by 2. Okay. Now, if we have any arbitrary number, let's say we have a, if I multiply this a with 1, will it make any difference to it? No, because you are going to get back that number only. And 1 is the multiplicative identity of any number. So this is a. Similarly, if we assume that this is one quantity, that is 33.73, even if this is true for, like this was true for a as a number, this can be true for fraction also. If you have a or b, if you multiply this with 1, you are going to get that fraction only, right? So if this is 33.73 divided by 2, you multiply this with 1, you are going to get back that number only. That will not change any values. And if you're wondering that why I'm telling this, it will be clear to you shortly. So if I multiply this number with 1, nothing will change. Everything will remain the same. Okay. This 1 can be written as 1 over 1, because if we divide any number by 1, that will remain the same. If I divide a by 1, it's going to be back a only. Okay. Now, what number I should multiply 33.73 with such that I get rid of this decimal point? Now 33.73 has 2 digits after this decimal point. So if you multiply this with 100, you'll get 3373, that is 3073, right? Okay. So it means that I have to introduce somehow 100 here so that I can get rid of this decimal point. That's very easy. This is 33.73 and divide by 22. I want to introduce this 100. So if I multiply this 1 with 100 and at the same time I multiply this denominator with 100, is anything going to change? Everything remains still neutral like it was before. Because if this is 1 times 100, then this will be 100. And divided by, this is also 1 times 100, this is 100. If you divide this, you are going to get back 1 over 1 only. So nothing has changed till now. Everything is same, no values changed. So this will be 33.73 divided by 2 times 100 over 100. Okay. Now multiply the numerators together. 33.73 times 100, and this is 2 times 100. Now you can see that we have attained this thing. So this will become 3373, and this is 2 times 100. Now this can be written as 3373 times 1, right? Nothing will change. So, and then this is 2 times 100 as before. I'm going to remove this. So this will become 3373 divided by 2 times 1 over 100, right? Now divide this 3373 by 2. So if you divide this 3373 by 2, you'll get 2 times 1 is 2, 1, 3, 2 times 6 is 12, subtraction 1, 7, 2 times 8 is 16, subtraction, you get 1, this is 3, 2 times 6 is 12, subtraction 1, 0, point here, and then 5, this is 10, subtraction 1. So you are going to get 168, 1686.5 times 1 over 100. So this will become 1686.5 divided by 100. Now your decimal point is here. You are dividing this by 100, that has 2 zeros. Therefore you will move this decimal point towards the left, counting 2 digits. One is 6, second is 8. Therefore you will place your decimal point before 8. So this will become 16.865. This is the answer. We are going to do similar thing here. Okay, so this is 4.449. So we can write it like this. This is 4.449 divided by 4. Okay, times 1. Nothing changed. Over 1. Nothing changed. If you want to get rid of this decimal point in 4.449, then 4.449 when multiplied with 1000, because after decimal point you have 3 digits, then you'll get 4449, right? It means that somehow I have to introduce 1000 here without changing any of these values. Everything should remain neutral as it was before. So if I do 4.449 divided by 4, and if I multiply this one with 1000, and even if I multiply this denominator 1 with 1000, has anything changed? No, because this 1000 divided by 1000 means 1 over 1 only. Nothing has changed. Every value is still the same. Okay, so this is 4.449 divided by 4. This is 1000 divided by 1000. Okay, now this will be 4.449 times 1000, and this will be 4 times 1000. This will become 4449 and divided by 4 times 1000. We can write this number as times 1. Nothing will change. Our purpose is that everything should remain neutral as it was before. Same thing. No value should change. So this will become 4449 divided by 4 times 1 divided by 1000. Divide this by 4. So we have 4449 divided by 4. 4 times 1 is 4. It's gone. 4 times 1 is 4. It's gone. 4 times 1 is 4. It's gone. It's 9. 4 times 2 is 8. 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 2. 0. So you will get 1112.25 multiplied with 1 over 1000. So this will become 1112.25 divided by 1000. Your decimal point is here, so you have 3 zeros in division, so you'll move your decimal point towards the left, counting 3 digits. So 1, 2 and 3, and you'll place your decimal point before this one. So your answer will be 1.11225. This will be your answer.